Welcome to my vlog! Miss na ubi ang mata, miss na ubi.
Parang old town tong lugar nito.
Welcome to my vlog!
Ano, ang restaurant dito sa ano ng ano, Imperial Beach. Sa dulong dulo ito, pinakamas dulo. Ayan o. Imperial Beach Kitchen. May mga upuan. Pwede kayong mag-relax. May history ito eh. Ayan. Nasunog na pala ito. Nasira na pala noon. (1969) Itong parang Ocean Beach to eh. Ito isang to Ocean Beach. Yan Ocean Beach yan. Ito yung history pala ito. Imperial Beach. Here is to. Dati kasi nag-ano dito ng mga ano, ng mga boat, nagbababa ng isda. Nagkakarga ng ano dito. Yan. Ito pwesto na ito. Bisa may mga ano diyan, may barko na naglo-load saka unload. Kaya may machine yan eh. Ngayon wala na kami nakikita nag-ano dito, nag-ano ng barko. Maganda dito sa likod na to. May nahuli dito mga pating shark, stingray. Malaki itong likod nito. Pwede kayong order dito. Ayan o. Ganyan. Tapos po kayo. Maraming puwan dito eh. Ayun yata, nakahuli yata isa oh. Ayun oh. Ayun oh. Ayun. Hirap na hirap oh.
Leia, do you have something? Yeah. What you get? Oh yeah, I got a bag.
Tingnan natin.
Yeah, this shit's heavy.
Yun, nahuli niya oh. Stingray.
What? Mine? I don't know. No, there's no.
Kikita nyo ba?
Hayden.
Ayun.
I can't. Like, you have net? Yeah, but you need to tie the line onto it. No,
Ayun yan.
this shit
Eh,
is not
tataas
cool
niya na.
enough. I got it. Walk back. Walk back with it. It's
Pull
in
it.
the air.
Pull it.
Don't sleep. Holy shit, he has legs. Back.
Ayan, nahuli niya oh.
No, guess what I got that on?
Nahuli na yung stingray.
Oh yeah, how do you think I got that big old beard guitar fish? Alright, back up, back up, back up.
Huli niya stingray. Bata nakahuli ng stingray.
Holy big ass ring. Stop it. You remember what? Actually, we might need one. Open your mouth. Open them. Come on. Come on, make the season. Chinese, not right here. I can't even see the hook. It's that tagging right there. I can see it. I can see it. Here, let's see. I got these little skinny ones. Go. Let me do it. Let me do it. Hold on. I have the hook. Yeah, I can see the hook too. Hold on. I was on the hook. I can see it
Ayan,
pretty
nahuli
good
nila
too.
dito.
Hold it.
Stingray.
Can you hold the ray or something? Like he's falling. Give it. Give it. I got it, bro. I got it. I just need to get onto the hook. Shake it, shake it, shake it. Alright, bye, Zilla. My food's ready. Hey, yo, what? Huh, how is yours ready? Hold on. Sebastian already got yours. What do you mean? Come on. Sebastian already did wrong. Take a picture. Take a picture. Take a picture. Hurry, he's waiting. Go.
Ang ganda ng view dito eh. Oh.
Just like shaking.
View ang inaanohan dito eh. Pinupuntahan sa pag-fishing. Masarap din pagkain dito sa ano, mga tacos. Sinisipon na. Excuse me po.
My bad, bro. It took way too fucking long, bro. How's it been? How's it been, bro?
Ang lalaki ng alon. Mamaya ba tayo sa beach?
If your child suffered a head injury, please call our firm to find out if we can help. Visit forwardcare.com for offers. Area heads of San Diego. Next
Maraming nagpi-fishing din. Pero pag summer dito, puno to. Halos wala kang mapwesto mag ano ng fishing pool. Pagbabaan ng fishing pool.
Like the whole back here is cool and shit. Like all we cut down all the overgrowth on the trees. There's just one big ass pine tree that's caught in the back where the hill is. We're not touching it. That's like a little bit.
Maganda yung view dito kaysa sa Ocean Beach. Pero mas maano yung Ocean Beach. Ayun, nakahuli oh, laki oh. Oh, ngayon yun oh. Bilisan natin yung lakad para makita natin. Ayan oh. Ayan oh, nakahuli si Manong oh. Yeah. Oh, dami na pa palang huli ni Manong. Ayan oh. Yan na huli oh. Ayan oh. Oh! Sana. Napakasarap. Nag-enjoy na. Nagkakaroon pa ng ulam, no? Saan pa kayo? Ayan, dami niya na huli oh. Oh, tingnan yung huli niya. Kaso yung pain niya, mamahalin yan. Ghost cream yan. Lalaki ng perf. High tide pa ba? O palotay na? Palotay na.
Oras na ba? Ano oras na?
Alas 12 na ho.
Ay, bababa na.
Bababa na no?
Ay, mga 11 something ang high tide. Bababa na.
Bababa ng ano. Maraming ulam na yan. Kaso yung pain nyo talagang mamahalin. Ghost cream. Yan. Parang hipon yan. Live po yan, live.
Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.
Kinukuha yan sa putikan.